Hey, what's up? This is J. Lucky Henry. So today, we're going to talk about what are the dangers of pulling the permit yourself. Get ready. This is J. Lucky Henry, Keller Williams agent in the greater Boston area. You won't believe how many people need to get real, R-E-A-L, real estate explained amazingly by Lucky in 90 seconds, give or take. Welcome back. It's J. Lucky Henry. So, you're considering doing some work to your house. You've maybe talked to a couple different contractors and, woo, this one came in with an offer way lower than everyone else. This seems like a good deal. So you're like, okay, for the remodel this kitchen, everyone else wanted $50K, $45K. This person said they got it for $25K. You're like, all right, the work, they're going to use all the materials you wanted and all of that's included in the budget. Now, comes time to start work, they say, hey, Mr. Homeowner, or Mr. and Mrs. Homeowner, would you mind going down and getting the building permits for us since it's your home? And you're like, well, that makes sense. It is my home. Why wouldn't I go pull a permit? Let me give you a couple reasons why that could be dangerous. Number one, some places legally, you may now be considered the contractor. That means you are in charge of supervising this whole renovation. And that means the company you hired is technically your subcontractor. So should someone get hurt, guess who's liable? You. Should something go wrong with the actual work and it not be up to code, guess who's liable? You. Should material expenses go way over budget and you want to complain about it because you feel like you're getting ripped off, guess who can't complain because they're technically the one that's liable? You. So I just gave you three right there that should be enough of a red flag to say, I think I'd rather have the company themselves pull a permit so that you can hold someone liable. I could throw you a fourth one. If something happens to your neighbor's property, you're also liable. If someone gets hurt working on the weekend, you're still liable, right? So that's 5 different reasons right there that I would say it is probably most of the time in the best interest, like 99% of the time, in the best interest of homeowners to not pull the permits themselves if they're going to be hiring out other companies, especially at the company's request. Now, if you know what you're doing, of course, there's always those exceptions. If you know what you're doing, work, and you actually are doing the work, then sure. But if you're hiring a company, let the company do what they do. Just like if you're going to sell your house, hire a realtor and let them do what they do. This is J. Lucky Henry, and I'm here to keep it real with you. Whether you're looking to buy, sell, or invest in real estate, call or text 978-712-0244 and make sure you subscribe to my channel for more. Another way they ask me how I know it'd be okay.